What's up, guys? I'm glad you're back, and I guess you're waiting to see like what happened next with the Seattle trip, right? So, where we left off, we had just got to the house where we were staying at and went to bed. And if you missed all of that and you have no idea what I'm talking about, well, watch that video. Watch this one. Pause here, open this one, watch it, and come back. I'll wait for you. Really, go watch it. I'll wait for you. Come on, it's only like 10 minutes. Just watch it and then come back to this one. It'll be fine. So now, we've obviously woke up late because we slept in. We were jet lagged. It was 5 a.m. Eastern time once we once we got to bed. We went to 4 different rental places to get rid of that stupid van we drove. It was unreal to try to get rid of that thing. Anyway, we went back to the airport, went to that Avis. That manager was cool as crap. I can't say enough about him. He immediately was like, yeah, we'll take care of you. I totally understand. He didn't ask for any of my information. He traded the van out for a nice Tahoe, had it cleaned up, ready to go, fueled up, and off we went. Now, we didn't have a lot of time, but we were already in Seattle, so we went and we hit a awesome aviation museum that's there. It's right next to the Boeing factory. So I think it's like Boeing's museum. Probably. Anyway, the name of it's like, I don't know, it's this. This is the name of it. We went downtown for just a little while. Town was pretty crowded. So instead of me rambling on for like the next 7 minutes, just watch it. It's beautiful. It's beautiful. Don't listen to me talk anymore. I'm not that interesting. Just watch the video. guys, so I hope you enjoyed that video. If you did, please hit the like button. If you haven't already, smash that subscribe button if that's something that you're totally cool with doing, and turn your notifications on. That way you can follow us for the rest of the week. We were in Seattle. It's a great time. Like I said, we come back to the city later on in the week and you'll get to see that. But the next video is where the pictures get juicy, and it's the only day that I actually got to fly my drone in Washington. I was going to say Seattle. I tried to fly it in Seattle, but that's a whole. I'll explain that later. Just subscribe and put your reminders on, and that way you'll know that. Yeah, that way you'll know when it happens, and you can come back and watch, and it'll be good stuff. You'll enjoy it. I hope. No, you'll enjoy it. You'll enjoy it. Just come back and watch it. See you guys.